Try the Fitness 14 days and shake up your lifestyle.
More than 1,000 hopefuls from all over Malaysia applied. Right here at the Sunway Resort Hotel, only 100 girls have been called back for the final audition.
You're very pretty.
Very nice. Looks alone is not enough. The search is on for someone hip, urban, relevant, and real. For the first time, you, the Malaysian audience, will get to see these aspiring beauty queens be put to the test. Only one girl will be crowned on track to universal stardom.
I see a lot of potential in you.
This is Beauty Camp, the search for Miss Universe Malaysia 2012.
As a guy, I'll tell you you're wearing the wrong color. How can you gauge with someone after 2 minutes whether this girl is good enough to proceed to the next round? Really difficult. It's ridiculous. Come on. You can't even answer the question, you know what I mean?
I don't think that you could pursue your career as a model. Everyone who wants to participate in any sort of competition should think through what his objective is from, what he wants to achieve in life.
You always have an excuse for something. Oh, I'm wearing this because I was last minute late. Oh, these shoes I bought last week. Oh, this, no, that. I don't like excuses.
I want to, start charities. I want to do something for the world. I want to do something for Malaysian women. You can do that on your own, You don't need Miss Universe Malaysia.
Yeah, you come here looking rather plain. Be prepared. Come here knowing what you want to say, what you want to do, what you want to achieve, what your goals are. You can't go wrong.
To get through this round, these girls have to convince at least 2 of the 4 judges that they are tough enough for beauty camp.
This is yes for me.
Oh yeah, yes for me.
Congratulations.
There is.
I want to push myself further. I'm the type of person that I always want to challenge myself to know where do I stand, whether can I prove to myself that I can be more than just where I am right now.
What is the biggest obstacle you've ever faced in life?
I mean, I represented Malaysia to China. I prepared myself, the gowns and things like that. And it was a challenge for me because I just started uni that time. And that's the reason why I took 3 years of break before I joined this one as my second pageant.
You have the advantage over so many girls here. The fact that you already have the international
No, I believe all the girls do have, just like you.
Yeah, just go here.
Thank you.
Yeah, you don't need to work for them.
Okay.
you're competing with them. That adds to everything else. You're tall, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Babes, us? No?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Her look, her presence, her picture was really good. In real life, I was hoping for more actually. But she's still very impressive, very tall, and quite eloquent.
Well, I joined a beauty pageant before. This is my first time. This is my second beauty pageant, and it helped a lot in the sense that I would know how it feels to stay here with the girls on the campsite and things like that.
From Malacca. I'm 23 years old. I'm currently doing my degree in Open Uni Malaysia, doing business admin.
Could you do a quick catwalk snap turn there? That's the best snap turn I've seen so far. Why do you want to be the next Miss Universe Malaysia?
I believe that if I win this, I have what it takes. to be Miss Malaysia 2012, and I grew up in a real atmosphere. My family taught me the values of everything and the trust they have in me. I believe I have what it takes to become one.
Yes, but are you ready to compromise in this tough world of fashion and models and celebrities?
I know it is a very tough industry indeed. I will be true to myself, and the experience I gain, the exposure, will make me a better person.
Okay.
Yes, for me.
Yes for me.
Yes, for me.
Yes, for me.
Well done,
Thank you
girl.
so much.
Go.
Thank you.
Hello.
My name is Juanita. I'm 20 and I'm here to try to win this. Okay, I'm very nervous. Sorry.
Okay.
Right.
Why do you want to be Miss Universe Malaysia?
Well, I want to be a role model to young girls.
I think Miss Universe Malaysia would be a pedestal for me, so that I can really voice out and as someone prominent instead of just another girl. And I think that would help me, reach my ultimate goal, which is to set up a refugee center.
What type of role model?
A role model that, someone they can look up to, because I feel that a lot of girls look up to the wrong role model, so I feel that I can be one of the good ones,
There were no doubts in what she was trying to explain or express herself, which is what I liked very much, because it was very real.
Any questions?
I say yes.
I say yes.
You have to yes. It doesn't bother about them. You're it. There you go. Thank you so much. There you go. You're it. Yeah. Sweet girl, huh? Very sweet.
Very sweet.
She was better than me.
No, she was fine. She was fine.
I was nervous, really. I was very nervous. I didn't know if I was going to get through, but I knew that I was going to come here, I was going to do my best, and if I fail, I would come back next year and do it all over again.
Are you nervous? Are you have a sponsor?
I'm so nervous.
I always wanted to be a choreographer, so I always named myself Kyoko.